Hi guys! Oh my god, I'm so excited to our second break. So guys, are you in? Are you excited in our vacation?
Same, me too. I've already asked my parents for permission, so I'm good to go.
That's good. So how about you, Louise? Are you in?
I think it's impossible for me to come.
Why?
Why?
I didn't pass our creative output in Gen Math because I cannot understand the lesson, no matter how many times I read and watch all of Ma'am's presentation.
Why? Oh my god, why?
Well, I have so many questions and clarifications, but I can't ask Ma'am because I'm too shy. So in that case, I won't be able to go on a vacation with you guys.
No, don't say that. Don't worry. We'll help you to understand that lesson. By the way, what lesson is it?
It's about horizontal line test.
Oh, that's what.
Oh, that's really easy. I swear, if you let us to discuss it, I'm sure you will understand it.
Yes, I totally agree. So how about we start presenting the presentation that Mom gave us yesterday? But wait, Louise, don't be afraid or don't be shy to ask questions to us because we're your friend. Okay, how about Kate? Can you present the Mom's presentation yesterday?
Sure. Wait. Here.
So there we have it. We have horizontal line test. But before we proceed, do you have any idea about horizontal line test?
I really don't have any idea about horizontal line test.
Okay. That's alright, but I want you to listen carefully, okay? This lesson is so easy, and horizontal line test has the objective of defining the uses and application, and how to graph the horizontal line test, and how to determine a one-to-one function. So, before we proceed, again, let's know the definition of horizontal line test. It is a test that is used to determine if a function is one-to-one function or not. And it also used to determine if the function is inverse. And it should only correspond in only one point, not more than one. Okay? For instance, we have an example of Ma'am here. What do you think? What do you observe? Is it one?
This is not a one-to-one function.
Why? What do you see?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, it's alright. This function is one-to-one function because, as I said earlier, that the function should only correspond at one point. And as you can see, the point corresponds at one point. So, meaning to say, it is a one-to-one function. Okay? That's alright. We're just starting. And second, we have this example. What do you think?
This is a one-to-one function. Now I'm confident about my answer.
Okay, again, this function is not a function. Why? Because even though it passes the horizontal line test, if we put the vertical line test in here, for example, like this. If we put the vertical line test in here, it corresponds to two or more points, meaning to say that this is not a one-to-one function. Okay, that's alright. So let's have another example for you to understand more. For this kind of function, we have, what do you see? What do you think? What do you observe?
Well, the horizontal line corresponds to more than one point, which is 2. So this is not a one-to-one function. Am I right?
Oh yes, it corresponds to two or more points. Okay, I think you got it. And fourth, we have this example. How about this?
It's not a one-to-one function.
Okay, very good because it corresponds to two or more points. Even though it passes the vertical line test, if it not passes the horizontal line test, it's still not considered as a one-to-one function. Okay? How about you, Kay? Can you give more example? Can you be the one?
Sure.
Define?
Sure. As you can see, if I draw a horizontal line test here, we can see that in the upper horizontal line test, there are 2 points, which is wrong because we say that in horizontal line test, there are only 1 corresponding point. But in lower horizontal line test, there are 1 point. But if we draw a vertical line test, it's still not a one-to-one function. Did you get it?
Okay.
Yes.
So let's proceed for another example.
Mikaela.
Yeah. So let's proceed for another example. In this example, we can see that in the first horizontal line test, there are 2 points. So we can say that it's not a one-to-one function. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So
How about this?
for this example, how many points did you see?
There are 4 points in each horizontal line.
So we can say that it's not a one-to-one function because there are 4 points, which is wrong for horizontal line test.
Okay. I think she's slowly getting it. But
Yeah.
to totally get it, can you give us an example of one-to-one function? You can use the annotation. Okay.
I'll start with this graph right here.
Okay.
And since we said that in order for us to know if it's a one-to-one function or not, we draw a horizontal line.
Anywhere we can do. Even though you put it in the origin, it still serve as an horizontal line test.
As you can see, has only 1 point. The horizontal lines correspond to only 1 point in my graph.
I think you got it. Okay. To be sure that you already get it or, to understand it more, can you answer this that mom gave us last time? Yes, like this. Can you determine if the function is one-to-one or not?
Okay, so this first one is definitely not a one-to-one function because it corresponds on 2 points.
Okay.
This second one is a one-to-one function because it only has 1 point. It only corresponds to 1 point on the graph. This one even though the horizontal line on the upper part has only 1 point, the one on the lower part has 2 points, so it's still not a one-to-one function.
Okay, that's good.
As this one and this one.
I think you get it. Oh my god, you can answer the worksheet by your own. So do you have any questions?
Yes.
Do you have any questions? Clarifications?
Oh.
What?
I don't have any questions. Thank you for explaining it
Oh, that's so
easily.
fine. Okay. We told you it's so easy. Oh my god. Okay. We will give you an time to answer your worksheet. So take your time and answer it with all your mind. Good luck!
Yes, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Welcome. Bye.